welcome back to another self-help video. I'm going to show you how to replace your tail bulbs in a 2005 Chevy Aveo. There's two Phillips screws that you're going to have to remove. This is what they look like. You could use a socket if you needed, but just a simple Phillips screwdriver. There's one, two. And then what I did was on this side, I put a piece of tape here because you're going to have to pry on it because there's an anchor in here. So all I did is twist the flathead screwdriver like that, and you can see it pops out. And then let me get back to this angle here. And all you do is pull it forward, put the screw aside. These are the bulbs that we're going to need to replace them. They're 1150. The part number is 1157. Pull this straight back, and the two that we're going to replace are here. This is your backup. This is your turn signal. So if you wanted to replace your backup, it's here. Turn signal's here. All you have to do is twist these counterclockwise and pull it out. And all you have to do is push down and twist, and you can see there's two anchor points on these bulbs, so they actually only go in one way. And I already did replace these, but I just wanted to show you. So what you would do is push it back down and twist clockwise, and it locks in. The other thing you want to take a note of is this rubber gasket. Make sure it doesn't come off or breaks. If it does, you can order one, but you probably wouldn't need to do that. Just glue it, put a little piece of glue to glue it back together. You should be good to go. Put that in, twist clockwise now to lock it. The same thing with the other one. Counterclockwise. And then push down and twist counterclockwise once again to remove the bulb. And it's 1157. That's what the bulb looks like. Put it back in, push down, and twist clockwise. And same thing, once you put it in here, push down, twist clockwise. That's it. This is that anchor point I was talking to you about, and this is where it gets seated into. So when you're done, you can remove your piece of tape now. Put that aside. Put your anchor point in first. And that's it. You just push in like that. And then you would take your two screws, one on top and bottom. One there and one there. That's all you really need. And that's it. And I hope you've learned something. If you have any comments, leave them below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Remember, if funk can do, so can you. Peace, guys.